Morning students. Today we'll start with a new topic, that is comparison of numbers: smaller, smallest, bigger and biggest. Students, look at this number line. This is a number line having numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on. Students, the numbers nearer to 0 are smaller numbers and the numbers further away from 0 are greater numbers. In other words, as we move towards right side, as we move towards right, the numbers become bigger or greater. Taking the example of 4 and 6, suppose this is a 4 and this is a 6. As 4 is nearer to 0, so 4 is smaller and 6 is bigger, or 4 is smaller than 6. Look at this example. Consider the numbers 5 and 8. This is 5 and this is 8. 5 is smaller than 8. As 5 is nearer to 0 than 8. 5 is smaller than 8. We can also say 5 is less than 8. In symbols, 5 is less than 8. This sign means less than. Now comes at this page, write the smaller number in the box. Use the number line. By making use of number line, you have to write the smaller number in these boxes. Student, this exercise will be done by you at home. And next question is, write the smaller number in the box. Here you have to write the smallest number in these boxes. Students, look at this page. Write the bigger number in the box. Here you have to write the bigger number in these boxes by making use of this number line. And here you have to write the biggest number. Out of 3 numbers, you have to write the biggest numbers in these boxes. This exercise will be done at home. Next is, arrange the following numbers from smallest to the biggest number, that is ascending order. Look at this question. Arrange the numbers from smallest to the biggest. In this question, you have to write the numbers in ascending order. Students, ascending order means from smallest to biggest. That is, smallest number you have to write first, then biggest, bigger, and then biggest. From smaller to the big. Look at this example. 8. We have the numbers 8, 2 and 15. Here we have to write the numbers in ascending order. Students, what we write here? 2, then comes 8, then 15. Similarly, 13, 3 and 8. Here we have to arrange these numbers also in ascending order, that is from smallest to biggest. 8, 3, 8 and 13. Similarly, this part also. Look at next page. These are some of the examples done by you at home. Arrange the following numbers following from biggest to smallest. We have to write these numbers in descending order. And descending order means, what is descending order? Descending order means from biggest to smallest. We have to write the biggest number first, then smaller, then smallest. Here is the example of 4, 5 and 6. We have to write biggest. But what is biggest? 6, then 5, then 4. Biggest to smallest. These parts are done by you at home. Next is filling the blanks with greater or less than. Here you have to write the biggest and smallest, greater than and less than. 2 and 12. Out of these numbers, which number is bigger? 12. So we have to put this sign here, greater than. 16 and 6. Which is greater? 16. 13 and 12. 13. These parts are done by you at home. Student, with this, our chapter is complete. Now, I am also giving you a revision sheet, worksheet related to this chapter. Stay happy, stay healthy.